रहेगी, सूखी जमीन भी हरी दिखेगी, पंछी गाएंगे मीठे गीत, हरियाली होगी सबसे भी।
Good morning everyone. A very cheerful and green morning to our respected principal ma'am, coordinators, teachers and dear students.
Today's assembly is special. We are not just starting our day, we are planting seeds of thought and action. Because today we are celebrating Van Mahotsav, a festival of trees, a festival of life.
With the powerful theme, Plant Today, Prosper Tomorrow, we are here to remind ourselves that every sapling we plant is a promise to the future.
Let's begin this beautiful day with prayer, because when we speak to nature, we speak to God.
By Arshi, followed by its explanation by Irsheen.
Van Mahotsav reminds us that trees are not just luxury, they are a necessity. Every leaf holds a life, holds a future. I repeat, Van Mahotsav reminds us that trees are not just luxury, they are a necessity. Every leaf holds a life, holds a future.
This means that trees are a crucial part of our environment. They are not just decoratives but essential for a healthy future. Each tree planted is a step forward towards preserving life on Earth. Thank you.
Such a powerful reminder. Let's not wait for the perfect time. Let's make today perfect by planting hope.
It's time to catch up with today's news headlines. So I invite Dhruv, Adapti, Medhansh and Nonihal for today's headlines.
Good morning everyone. Today's international news is Trump says USA must send more weapons to Ukraine days after ordering pause in deliveries. SM Munir claims assertions that Pakistan received external support during 4-day conflict with India incorrect. Death toll from catastrophic flooding in Texas over the July 4th weekend surpasses 100.
Good morning everyone. Today's national news is Election Commission says 36.47% of enlisted voters have submitted enumeration forms for Bihar SIR. Over 30 crore workers, farmers will join strike against government policies, say trade unions. Immediately stop special intensive revision of electoral rolls in Bihar, say India bloc leaders.
Good morning everyone. Today's sports news is India under 19 lose by 7 wickets to England but win series by 3-2. Indian shooting squad for Asian Championship and ISSF World Cup announced. India qualify for AFC Women's Asian Cup finals after beating Thailand 2-1.
Good morning everyone. Today's weather report is maximum temperature will be 32 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature will be 26 degrees Celsius. Sun rose today at 5:26 am, sun will set at 7:29 pm. Humidity will be 92% and 70% chances of precipitation are there. Thank you.
In learning fun, here's a quick quiz to test how well we know the planet we live on. So, just raise your hand if you know the answer.
So, are you ready? The first question is, why is Van Mahotsav celebrated in the first week of July? I repeat, why is Van Mahotsav celebrated in the first week of July?
Because at that time the weather is right for the growing of trees.
Very well done, that's the correct answer.
Now, here comes the second question. Who started Van Mahotsav? I repeat, who started Van Mahotsav? Anyone from this side? Anyone from the middle? Anyone from this side? Van Mahotsav was initiated in 1950 by Dr. K.M. Munshi, who was the Union Minister of Agriculture and Food.
The third question is, which Indian state has the highest forest cover? I repeat, which Indian state has the highest forest cover? Very well done, that's absolutely correct.
Get ready for a powerful performance without words yet full of meaning. Presenting a mind map by our students portraying the effects of deforestation.
Once upon a time, there was a man with a small piece of land. He woke with the sun, hands in the soil, heart in the soil. He watered, he planted, he waited. And the field responded, blooming with life. Villagers gathered around, filling baskets, filling hearts. The birds chirped in joy, the animals came to feed. The field wasn't just his, it was everyone's.
But one day something changed. A man in a suit came with papers and promises. Why work so hard? He said. This land is worth gold. Temptation whispered louder than bird song. The owner hesitated, then sighed. The new owner brought machines. No more crops, only concrete. No more trees, only towers. The birds flew away, the animals vanished. The villagers, once smiling, now hungry, scattered. The field was gone. The man had money, but not peace. Some fields grow more than crops. They grow community. They feed bodies and souls. When we sell the roots, the branches break, and we all fall wittingly.
देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या हो गई भगवान। देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या हो गई भगवान। कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। सूरज न बदला, चांद न बदला, ना बदला रे आसमान। कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया।
Inspiring and emotional performance by our students. They have clearly shown how important trees are for our survival.
It's time for a quick spark of motivation. Let's welcome Riddhi on stage who will lift our spirits.
Look at the world a few years back. Green, alive, breathing. Now imagine it 50 years from now. If we keep cutting trees instead of caring, what kind of world do you want to leave behind? One remembered for its beauty or its silence. Years ago, Punjab was green, fertile and full of life. Fields stretched endlessly, trees standing tall and the air rich with promise. Today, we stand at a turning point. The pictures of what the future could become. Dry, bare and silent are not predictions, they are warnings. The question is not what will happen, but what we choose. What kind of Punjab, what kind of world do you want to grow up in? Always remember, the earth gives back what we give to it. Before I end, let us remember, buildings and infrastructure are indeed the sign of a nation's development. But the environment in which we live is the foundation of our well-being. What is the use of tall buildings if the air we breathe is not clean, if the land is barren and lifeless? So what can we do? We can start small but meaningful. Make your balconies green. Even a few potted plants can bring freshness and beauty. Add indoor plants like money plant, snake plant or peace lily. They not only purify the air but also brighten up our homes. Encourage vertical gardens and rooftop plantations. Encourage your school and neighborhood to adopt a plant a month campaign. Every small effort counts. Let's build a future where nature and development go hand in hand. Where our progress doesn't come at the cost of our planet. Thank you.
much, Gilby, for those wonderful and inspiring words. Your message has truly filled our hearts with positivity and confidence.
आओ भाई रुख लगाइए धरती मानू हरा बनाइए हरे रुख होणगे जद साडे नाल खुशहाली आवेगी हर हाल under the hot sun with muddy hands and smiling faces students of 7B planted hope one sapling at a time because one Mahotsav isn't just a celebration it's a responsibility. Let's take a look at the moments where tiny hands made mighty changes. Let's turn our attention to the screen to enjoy the beautiful plantation pictures presented by class 7B.
See how beautifully our young nature lovers have contributed to making the world a greener place.
Each sapling tells us a story of care, responsibility and hope.
Watch closely. These plantation moments highlight the commitment of our students towards environmental conservation. Let us come together and take a pledge, not just with words, but with commitment to protect, preserve, and plant for a greener tomorrow.
It's not just a pledge, it's a promise. Please take a pledge position and repeat after us.
I pledge to uphold the spirit of Van Mahotsav by actively participating in afforestation efforts and promoting the importance of sustainability. I commit to planting at least one plant each year and will nurture it as a symbol of my dedication to the environment.
It's not just the trees that are growing, we are growing too. We have some amazing students and staff celebrating their special day. I invite students and teachers whose birthday falls this week.
We wish you all a year filled with happiness and goodness. Let's all sing the birthday song together.
My name is G. I'm from class 7C and my birthday was yesterday. I'm from class 6C. My birthday falls on 24 July.
My name is Sajeshwar Singh. I am from class 6C and my birthday is tomorrow.